Adding money to your Klarna account is essential for using features like Pay Later or to maintain a balance for purchases. Here's how to do it. Open the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Balance section. Once logged in, look for the Balance or Wallet section within the app. This area displays your current balance and transaction history. Select Add Funds. In the Balance section, find the option to add funds or top up. This may be labeled differently based on your region. Choose Payment Method. You'll be prompted to select the payment method to add funds. This can include linking a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Enter amount. Specify the amount you wish to add to your Klarna account. Ensure that it's within any limit set by Klarna. Confirm the transaction. Review the details and confirm the transfer. Klarna may ask for additional verification for security purposes. Check your balance. After the transaction is processed, check your balance to ensure the funds have been added.